Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kini kilong ki khubor ki bam takasngi unong yalam ka hinyo treb youth council HYC UM halang savian haka arsau trek unailar ulathep ya ka right to information RTI ha office jong u deputy commissioner ban panjing tip halor ka jingpynkynriah ya ki bru ki ba lasyong be-aiñ ha Lum Survey. Haba keren segilat pathai kubor u saviang ulaong ba ka HYC kalabudin ya ka nikakam las lembat kalalai ru ban yakandu ya ka buah district da ka badawa badai ban syem ya ki senjam ki bateng e ban Pykynriah ya ki nongshong be-aiñ na ka te ka jaka. Ula pentip ba ka buah district kalakhot ya ka HYC ban syem banta ya ka jurip ya ka Lum Survey. Ka kanuhon jong kaseng hapo ka jinyalam u Mr. President kabalai ban sakhi ya kate ka jinjurep Henry hadu menta kampat poi ne yo jubab kabashai halor ki senjam balashim hadin jongka katkum usaven kabo district kalapen pau ba kam jong Lum Survey kadang don hapo ka jing bishar jong ka ying bishar kumta ling ba ka RTI ka HYC kalapan jintip halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka mukaduma karai ne ka hukum jong ka ying bishar bat ki senjam baka sorkar ne kabo district kalashim halor kanika kam ka HYC ka kermen ba u public information officer jong ka office u deputy commissioner un aya ka jubab kabashai bat ka bapura hapo kapor balabu katkum ka right to information act.
Today the Inyo Trap Youth Council, a central body, we have come and to file an RTI within the office of the Deputy Commissioner concerning the issue relating to the legal proceeding at Lum Survey. You have seen that the council from years, 2 years back, we have taken up the issue regarding the illegal settler of people who have been residing there at Lum Survey. The council have taken action and stringent steps to ensure that these people should be evicted from Lum Survey. And after the issue which we have taken, we have seen that the government through the district administration they have called us they have called us for an inspection to be conducted at the Lum Survey, where the members of the HYC led by our president Baro Kupasundram we have attended this inspection conducted by the district administration. And the fact is that till date, since the day we have taken up the issue at Lum Survey, till date we have not received any positive response either from the district administration or either from the government of Meghalaya. We have seen in the statement that the government of Meghalaya have stated that this issue concerning at Lum Survey is a legal proceeding which is pending before the court, before the judicial forum. And based on this reason, the council we have filed this RTI to know what is the legal status of the legal proceeding concerning the Lum Survey. And in this RTI today, which we have filed, we have seeks the information regarding the subject matter and the nature of dispute concerning the Lum Survey. And we have also seek and ask this question whether any interim order, injunction order or status quo has been related or has been there or not related to the Lum Survey issue. And we have also asked what is the latest status or the latest hearing order concerning the Lum Survey. And we hope that the office of the Deputy Commissioner through the Public Information Officer will give us and will respond to our to our information which we have seek to the right to information.